Biomin is a 30-year-old company. It started in the Europe, Austria by Eirik Arber, and now we are present more than 100 countries. We have the 14 manufacturing plants in the globally, and Asia region is covered from the Singapore office. We have 3 corporate offices, one in Austria, one in USA, and one in Singapore. Biomin is well known. Biomin is definitely one of the global leader in the mycotoxin risk management. The first time in the poultry industry or animal health division, Biomin has introduced the deactivation process with the biotransformation. And presently, Biomin has the wide product range in the poultry, in the dairy, in the aqua, and in the different animal health sector region. Biomin is having own Romer labs where with the backup of the R&D for the different, we do the different mycotoxin analysis. This is the sister concern of the Biomin, and we do the lot of mycotoxin survey through our sister concern Romer lab. And presently in India, we are marketing our mycotoxin control management product, that is Mycofix product line. Then we are also marketing the product called Biotronic, which is the acidifier. Then we have the advanced 3rd generation E. coli based bacterial phytase, and we have the recently the multi-strain probiotic we have launched, that is a combination of probiotic and prebiotic for gut integrity and the gut health. And Biomin is definitely try to advance or educate the customer, farmers, and in the animal industry. Every 2 years, Biomin conducts a World Nutrition Forum. So last month we have conducted in the Singapore, that is a World Nutrition Forum, 5th World Nutrition Forum, and almost 890 delegates throughout the globe has attended, and it was almost 72 countries were represented for the World Nutrition Forum. So 3 days exclusively, a lot of research, a lot of paper has given. So all it is interaction with the global leader. So by that way, Biomin is try to update the industry research and make one single platform every 2 years and share the knowledge among the all industry players. So presently in Biomin India, we have the Chennai office, Biomin India office. We have the field force, marketing field force, which called technical sales manager, which supports technically through our product and services. And we try to improvise the field performance of the productivity. And also we are focusing to reduce the feed cost by our product phytase and to reduce the mortality of the birds through our product called Poultry-Star and Biotronic. So this way Biomin is always linked and give the value addition for the poultry industry and animal health industry. See, we have to educate it. Say earlier people have hesitated to use only toxin binder, but we educate them about what are the different mycotoxins present in the field, in the raw material. Then we educate them that only toxin binder doesn't control or bind the all range of mycotoxins. So we need some deactivation process. So we need some bacteria, we need some yeast-based product which produce some enzyme in the inside of the body of the bird, and then it deactivates some mycotoxin. So we do this kind of services. We do for the poultry farmers, and we educate, we make aware of them for the how many mycotoxins present in the feed, in the field level, and how it be very toxic or harmful to the performance of the bird. We have the own R&D facilities in Austria, R&D division. We have all quality certificates which is required, and we do the lot of different research data, and Biomin has tied up or allied with the more than 100 universities for the different research and trials. Biomin is always try to give the solutions to the customer. It is not the product that we are selling. We are trying to selling the solutions, and we are trying to market the concepts. Because if you see in each product, there is a definite concept of Biomin. So we are selling the concept. Selling the concept or marketing the concept, we have to improve the productivity. We have to reduce the cost of the feed cost of our production cost for the farmers. The response is quite good, and we felt that year by year people are quite coming regularly to Poultry India show, and this is the among the all Indian poultry show, definitely Hyderabad Poultry Show is one of the most popular show.